Hey traders, Spartan from SpartanTrading.com. I want to hit you guys with the best and my favorite type of swing trading setup, how to find them, and how to actually set them up. It's a very simple strategy. It works extremely well. We've been doing it for a long time. You can actually check our track record, which goes back 8 years on the website, and we've performed extremely well every single month. And I want to talk about what that strategy is. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for the hot sector at the moment. Now, as you guys know, the hot sector at the moment is the semiconductor sector. SMCI has had a huge rip as of late, NVIDIA as well. And what I would like to do is try to find names within this sector that are setting up for range breaks. Now, it's funny. NVIDIA was running before SMCI. We had this as a long-term position trade. SMCI was in this sort of setup as well. So what I typically look for is a range break off of consolidation, and you can see the range right here. So long form of range consolidation, and then a break of that level for continuation to the upside. You tend to get quite a bit of momentum if that sector is hot. And this is how SMCI has ended up for us. We're still in the position. We're looking for continuation higher on this idea. We've done it a few times as well with AVGO. It had this bullish consolidation occurring over here, broke that range, and we got that nice continuation there. Now, I've got a couple different examples that are happening right now, which you can actually use if you want. We have this MU, which is actually flag breaking out of this consolidative pattern here. If it breaks that 90 level, I expect a pretty decent move to the upside there. AMD was a past example of that. And now it's happening again. So keep an eye on this AMD for a break of that range there for continuation higher. And the last one I want to talk about is AVGO actually currently breaking that range. And this might actually be one of the next ones to keep an eye on. Now, some things to consider as well as how large the float is, institutional ownership, and then as well just kind of popularity of the name. You could call it like, I don't know, meme potential. But basically, if you look at the impressions of the name, that it's talked about on, let's say X, aka Twitter, or other social media platforms, that can give you a really good indication if that's building and you see this type of a pattern. It could be something really great to go after. So just want to hit you guys with that strategy. I think it's definitely worth checking out and doing. It's worked extremely well for us. And yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful. You can guys come to SpartanTrading.com. You can come trade with us. You guys have any questions, hit me up on Twitter @SpartanTrading. And that's about it, my friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one.